Starting with Zopi for Shopify dropshipping is a simple process. Zopi is a dropshipping automation tool that helps you source products, manage inventory, and fulfill orders from suppliers. Here's how you can get started. Sign up for Zopi. First, create an account on the Zopi platform. Go to their website and sign up using your email or through social media accounts for quicker registration. Integrate Zopi with Shopify. After creating an account, integrate Zopi with your Shopify store. You can do this by installing the Zopi app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store to Zopi, which allows seamless synchronization of products and orders. Import products. Browse through Zopi's product catalog and choose items that align with your store's niche. You can import these products directly into your Shopify store, including product descriptions, images, and prices. Set pricing rules. Set your pricing rules in Zopi. This allows you to automatically mark up product prices to earn a profit margin. Zopi will update prices automatically based on your rules. Automate order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Zopi automatically forwards the order to the supplier for fulfillment, saving you time and effort. Monitor and optimize. Monitor your sales, inventory, and profits within the Zopi dashboard to optimize your dropshipping process.